Hello, and welcome to the Kessler Trauma Center's presentation of Accessing Smartphone Emergency Medical ID Information for Healthcare Providers and Emergency Responders. This short video will review how to access smartphone emergency medical ID information on your patient's smartphone if they have chosen to set up that feature. We at the Kessler Trauma Center are undertaking an aggressive program to educate the public on the importance of utilizing the emergency medical ID feature of their smartphone, and as such, we strongly encourage all those with direct patient care responsibilities to have knowledge of how to access this information in an emergency. This video will teach you how to access the emergency medical ID information for both Android phones and the Apple iPhone, the two most commonly encountered smartphones currently in use. The good news is this is very easy to do on both of these types of phones, so let's get to it. To access emergency medical information on a locked Android phone, start by swiping up on the screen. You will see the word emergency at the bottom of the lock screen. Tap on it. You will then see the phrase emergency information at the top of the screen. Tap it once, and when it flashes, tap it again. If your patient has set up their emergency medical and/or emergency contact information, you will now see it displayed on the screen. The procedure for accessing emergency medical and emergency contact information on Apple iPhones varies depending on the type of iPhone the patient has. For newer iPhones that do not have a home button, such as the X series or the iPhone 11 or newer, the process is as follows. Press and hold the side button located on the upper right-hand side of the phone, and the volume up button located on the upper left-hand side of the phone at the same time. Hold them until the emergency screen appears, then swipe the medical ID slider to the right. If your patient has set up their emergency medical and/or emergency contact information, you will now see it displayed on the screen. For older model iPhones that have a home button, the process is slightly different. First, press the home button to open the lock screen. The word emergency will be seen in the lower left-hand corner of the screen. Tap on it. The phrase medical ID will then appear, also in the lower left-hand corner of the screen. Tap on that phrase, and if your patient has set up their emergency medical and/or emergency contact information, you will now see it displayed on the screen. As you can see, the process is fairly simple for both types of phones and takes very little time. Checking your patient's phone for this information can, however, be life-saving for them, especially if they are unable to speak for themselves. We ask you to add the simple and easy task of checking to see if your patient has their smartphone emergency medical ID feature activated anytime you are faced with a patient who is unable to communicate for any reason. If you have responsibility for transporting patients to the hospital, please bring their smartphone with them if they have one. The information on that device could potentially save their life. Thanks so much for giving us a few moments of your valuable time. Please feel free to contact us if you have any further questions, and make sure to follow the Kessler Trauma Center on all our social media platforms.